Hey there, fellow design enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home decor and interior trends. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you that will elevate the style and functionality of your cabinets. That's right, we're diving into the world of cabinet hardware with the incredible Amerock Mergence cabinet knob. The Mergence collection is the epitome of contemporary sophistication. With its innovative split finish, it instantly grabs attention and becomes a focal point in any space. The combination of contrasting tones creates a visually stunning effect, making your cabinets stand out with a touch of refined elegance. The Amerock Mergence collection, where attractive and streamlined elements merge in three captivating finish combinations: matte black/champagne bronze, matte black/satin nickel, and polished chrome/matte black. Each combination offers a unique visual impact, allowing you to personalize your space with sophistication. From the luxurious warmth of matte black/champagne bronze to the timeless elegance of matte black/satin nickel, or the bold modernity of polished chrome/matte black, these finishes elevate the style of your cabinets to new heights. Explore the endless possibilities and make a statement with the remarkable Amerock Mergence collection. And that concludes our exploration of the remarkable Amerock Mergence collection. We hope you've been inspired by the captivating finishes, sleek design, and impeccable craftsmanship that this collection has to offer. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to get your hands on these stunning cabinet knobs and pulls, and bring a touch of modern flair to your space.